Describe the lines and give the solution. If I have x minus 4y equals 10 and 3x minus 12y equals 30, what I'm going to do here, I can graph them both on Desmos graphing and look at what the answers look like. But first off, I'm going to kind of do this here. What would happen if I multiplied 3 times the top one, all the top? Well, it would become 3x minus 12y equals 30 is the bottom one, and that's what the top one would be too. So they're exactly the same, meaning I would have infinitely many solutions, because if you were to graph this, the graphs would be exactly the same. But on Desmos, you would only see one of them because the lines would be the same. An example, an answer is infinitely many solutions if you have the exact same line, because there aren't infinitely many. But if the number instead of 30 was 10, these lines would be parallel because they have the exact same slope. Notice they have the exact same slope over here also as they do here, but this time they do not intersect, so there's no solution. And then anytime you have two lines that intersect, and we looked at some of these earlier if you watched any of the videos, these are examples of lines that do not have the same slope and they intersect at some point or another. These would have one solution. So the types of answers you have are one solution if the slopes are not the same. If the slopes are the same but you have different y-intercepts, there is no solution. The lines are parallel. And if you have the same slope with the same intercept, it is infinitely many solutions.